In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Taobao app. By the end, you'll have your app's menus and settings showing in English or the international version, so it's easier to browse and shop. First, open the Taobao app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Language options are tied to your account and app version, so being signed in helps everything apply correctly. Keep in mind that while the interface can change to English, some product descriptions from sellers may still appear in Chinese, since those come directly from the store pages. Once the app is open, go to My Taobao. This is the profile area found at the bottom right of the screen. Even if your app is currently in Chinese, look for the tab that says Wo de Taobao or the profile icon in that corner. Tap it to open your account page. Now find the settings icon. On the profile page, look toward the top right. You'll typically see a gear icon or three dots that open more options. Tap that icon to enter the app's settings menu. Inside settings, choose General Settings, labeled Tongyang. This section contains the core app preferences, including language. If you see multiple categories, General or Tongyang is the one you want. Next, tap Language or Yuyan. This opens the language selection screen where you can switch how the app displays menus and labels. Now choose the option that best fits your needs. Depending on your app version, you may see English, shown as Yingwen, or an international or global version, shown as Guojiban. English will switch the interface language. International or global version can also enable a more global layout and occasionally region-friendly formatting. Tap your preferred option to apply it. To make sure the change fully takes effect, close the app completely and reopen it. On most phones, that means swiping away Taobao from your recent apps so it's not running in the background, then launching it again. When it reloads, your menus and settings should now appear in the language or mode you selected. If things still look unchanged, repeat the restart and confirm you chose English or international version under General Settings Language. Small differences in icon placement can vary by device or app updates, so take a moment to look for the gear or three-dot menu on your profile page if it's not immediately obvious. That's it. You've successfully changed the language in the Taobao app, making navigation clearer and shopping a lot easier. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated experience.